Hello everyone, welcome back to Look of a Kind. I needed to take down the garland from my cabinets and made a decision to quickly show you guys how I properly store garland. This is 12.5 feet of wired pre-lit garland that I have tied down to the cabinets with wire. Typically when taking this garland down, it's fairly easy. It's when I have to put it up, it's the most difficult. Getting it into position, fluffing, attaching it to the cabinets, it can be time consuming. Since this garland is attached with wire and the wires are spread out along the cabinets, all I have to do is unwrap the wire from around the garland. We are looking at 12 feet worth of garland that I have to be able to get into my container. After you take down your garland, you want to lay it all out. You want to unfluff it. Unfluffing will preserve the stems or make them last longer, and it will be easier to store. This garland is already unfluffed, so I don't have to really worry about doing anything, but basically we're going to close up your garland so that we have more space, and then we're just going to fold in an accordion. And I just take the cord and go around it to keep it in place. That's one garland. I try to keep it in the order that that I had put it up on the kitchen cabinet because it's easier for me to. It's going to be easier for me the following year to put it back on the cabinet. What I did was took the extension cord that is used with lighting the lights and wrapped it around all of the garland to hold it in place. Remember that this is where I need to be able to get my garland into if you watched my storing Christmas decor video. So watch how I get it in here. It fits without being crushed. I hope this helps with your organizing.